and try something different here. I'm going to try to make a video of this. So this is just a typical boat fuel tank. It's actually coming from my hovercraft. It's the top. What the hovercraft is lacking is like a fuel level sender. So I'm going to go ahead and I bought one off Amazon, cheap one. Just need something to monitor my gas. But there's this cap, which has this underneath it for sealing. It's a cork gasket. There's all the bolts. O-ring actually goes right underneath here to seal the whole assembly. So the thinking is using that hole to put the fuel level sender in and then just wire it up. Still waiting on that to come in from Amazon, but anyways, for some reason it's totally clean now. This is a 4-stroke Weber that my hovercraft has, and for some reason the previous owner put 2-stroke oil or premix in it. Not sure why, but I've ran it 2-stroke premix stuff in my pressure washer, which no ill effects. It's fine. Actually lubricates a little bit, but it's not made for that. This is a 4-stroke motor, so we're going to do it right. And put the high octane gas or premium gas inside of it and run the right gas. But anyways, just waiting on the pump to come in from Amazon today, and then I'll be installing it, and I'll continue this video after that. Okay guys, just got the kit from Amazon. You can see it comes with instructions, how to wire it, gauge, some hardware, the actual float, which is actually adjustable, so you can cut it down, bend it how you need to bend it. This is actually what fits in the tank. You can see it has screws there for adjusting, and this one's just going to have to be adjusted just a little bit up for my how I'm going to use it. But anyways, here it is. So that would be empty, full, and comes with a little sealing gasket for it. Goes underneath there. And the strange thing is this cap that came here. I'm just gonna drop this down inside like that. Doing adjustments, so it looks like, see, you just need to adjust it just a little bit to get it off the bottom. It's gonna work out perfectly. Here's the let's see if we can get the model number in there. But this is the one I bought from Amazon. I think the whole kit was like maybe less than 20 bucks. Anyways, let me get this installed, and I'll test it out. I'll have it out, and the float, the actual this all bent to where it needs to be, all set up, so I can just drop it right in and hook a battery up to it and show you how this thing works. See you in a little bit. Okay guys, got the sender installed. Use a little longer bolts, but yeah, it'll be alright. It's not hitting anything. It's got lock nuts on there. Should hold pretty well. Seals installed. So next thing is to get this thing, the float, actually installed in there. Be right back. Alright, so I got the actual float portion of the sender installed. And there she is. You know, it's showing full. Here's why. As the float goes down, you can see it move, and up. Let me back up a little bit. So, okay, that's full. And you can see the gauge going down. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. So that should be totally empty. There you go. And when you put it inside the tank, the bottom of the float, let me see, get this here. Sorry, the pickup is a little bit hard to get to. Alright, so there you go. So as I drop it in, that float should just barely be touching the bottom, and that needle shouldn't move. Well, there you go. It's not moving. It's totally there. So this top seal is actually with a big O-ring. There you go. Showing empty. And if I move the float, we're gonna just do it like that. There it goes. Working as it should. This is for those of you guys who don't have an actual fuel level sender, like my hovercraft doesn't, which is not the best setup, especially since you got to pull the seat out just to look at the gas tank, and that's probably not good. When you're out there on the water, you don't want to be running out of gas. Anyways, I just don't have the light hooked up. There's two little wires back there that hook up to the light. I just don't have hooked up, just for this test purposes. Anyways, there you go. This is how to install a fuel level sender and hook up the wiring. There you go. Thanks for watching.